Alright, y'all. So today we are being one with nature. Today we are out here at the ranch with the tractors, the cows, the barn house, the sideways dock. I love being out here in nature. It's so calming. Except, you know, y'all hear my family in the background, but it is what it is. Now, I will say my allergies are going ham right now. I'm not even gonna cap to you, but this is just my reality. I'm allergic to everything. Pollen, grass, everything. The feeling of nature is still so grounding. I got Zane, my dog. I got him on a leash. He normally is running around crazy, but my little cousin and some of my family members are terrified of dogs. All these freaking... Hello? Get back. Okay. Sweet pickles. So this is our cabin. My granddad owns this cabin. They're gonna be one of my old pictures. They're gonna be my mom, my little cousins, everybody. This is some true Mississippi-ish. Ah! Okay. How you gonna do an ASMR then scream? So we've been really wanting s'mores. So we're gonna see if this works.
They're not lighting no fire for us, so we're gonna do it.
But you're gonna have to melt the marshmallow and melt the chocolate. It's gonna take forever. Forever.
Okay, how about you hold
Forever. Hello?
Any day now.
Right, any day now. Your theory is failing.
It's getting a little brown. Y'all see that?
In one spot.
It looks. But.
Hello? When I come up here, I literally feel so nasty. Like, I feel like I've been sweating for forever. Look how red my nose is, because I've been literally rubbing my nose the entire time I've been here. Allergies suck. Unfortunately, the sun has not really been out. It's been cloudy and it's now sprinkling. Thank you. Lips done by... Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh, why is this thing so high? Wait, hold on, because it's the possibility that we could go out the back of.
Yeah.
Loving you every day of my life.
Whoa, whoa.
Is filled with loving you.
Whoa, whoa.
La 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 la.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Dun, 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 dun. And then you say, ah! You say, ah! Okay, come on. Why are you screaming? La 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 la. La 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 la. Dun, 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 dun. Ah! Why are are you trying to eat the speaker? Hello? Okay.
Y'all ready?
They're coming. By the looks of it, Janelle is definitely winning. Janelle won. It's not my fault.
I tell you, this was looking like 2 bounce balls.
They don't know what this summer, spring, or fall. What I ain't coats or cats. All season.
Freak bitch keep staring at the Draco. Turn the lava bomb of summer, make my days long. Fuck up a bitch nigga in my bed clothes. Ask a question, all my friends are fake hoes. Double on the triple six, your type of list. Used to do it 9 to 5, no double shit. If he don't shut the hoe, he's not my friend. He playing greedy with the bitch, come get your minutes.